Hello, welcome to this Klusterbox tutorial. I'm Tom Weeks. I'm the developer of Klusterbox. In this tutorial, we're going to cover SpeedSheets and errors in SpeedSheets and how you deal with those. So we're going to start off with a blank station here. We just made up. We're going to generate a SpeedSheet and start. Okay, now we're just going to enter in some carrier information. Urban B, and we're going to put hello in this field, and Monday in this field, and 01, and 1, 01. And that's the employee ID number. Save it. Okay, so this is a saved SpeedSheet. And let's put another carrier in here. Vodka V. And let's not make any errors on this one. Tuesday. And okay. So now we saved it as an Excel file, and we're going to input into database, and there we go. Okay, so it shows that our carrier Vodka V, all that information's been inputted. Okay. Now for the next carrier, Bourbon B, there was an error there. If you remember, we intentionally created this error. Their list status is hello, and that's not a real list status. Okay, so, and that's, it kind of tells you. It tells you the row that it happened on, the sheet that it happened on by employee ID, and the carrier name. And it shows you the error, no such list status or list status notation, hello. So that is not proper. But even though there is an error for the bourbon carrier, the vodka carrier is entered in because there were no errors there. So say we could go back to this and correct that error. ODDL, enter. Okay, now we have to save it again. And now we're going to re-input into database. Okay, and now it's giving us this notification that that carrier information has been inputted into the database. So, and you'll see that there are no fatal errors here. On the first one, you could go back and see that there was at least one fatal error. And now, since we inputted into the database, both of those carriers have been properly inputted. Yeah, Klusterbox, the SpeedSheets aren't going to let you enter in bad information. There are a lot of checks that go into making sure that bad information doesn't get entered in. But I guess that's about it. Thanks for watching this Klusterbox tutorial, and happy union stewarding.